If you hate those super bright HDR photos and videos, you can always choose to turn that off both on your camera on your iPhone when you take a video, but also on social media like Instagram. Let me show you how to do it. Let's first just open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, scroll down and tap on Camera. Let's turn off your iPhone's ability to record in HDR. So tap on Record Video, and then scroll down, and here you can see is HDR video. So if this is turned on, it will record in high dynamic range, or HDR. However, you can turn this off. But keep in mind, this is the videos that you're recording on your iPhone. These aren't videos that you're watching. Let's walk through some steps to disable it on apps like social media apps and Instagram. So hop out of here and open up Instagram, for instance. Tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then the three lines at the top right. From here, scroll down and find towards the bottom is media quality. You can see disable display of HDR media. All I need to do is turn this on and it will disable HDR on social media like Instagram, but keep in mind you will have to do this separately for Facebook, YouTube, etc. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.